Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Anne's Amazing Adventures. Well, I don't really have too much to show you today. I'm putting together a video of my car Dolly that I've got all redone now. And then I am going to start packing everything up. My truck, somebody is coming to have a look at my truck tomorrow. Hopefully they take it, then I don't have to worry about it while I'm gone. Plus, it will give me some money to travel with. All right, so I did a few videos, but I don't know if I showed you this or not, but I did buy myself a Nikon D3100. For my travels and my videos and everything. So I did my first couple of videos with it. I'm not very good at it. I have to learn a lot more before I start using it. But at least I've got something very nice that I can take pictures with. And I can still do videos on my iPhone. But for some reason, when I'm doing my iPhone ones, they won't upload onto my computer. I have no idea what's going on. My computer is very, very old, and I need to buy a new one. So maybe if my truck sells, I'll go buy myself a new computer so I don't have to monkey around with everything all the time. But anyway, so I've got a mix max of pictures of the car Dolly and what I'll be hauling on the Dolly. I don't know if I told you ladies or not, but I went into debt and bought myself a little 2019 Chevy Cruze, still on extended warranty and everything. It only had 24,000 kilometers on it, and it's a standard. So I'm having lots of fun with that. So I will be putting pictures of that on as well to show you. So, and then I do have another video planned because last week when I went into Seniors Day because our Shoppers Drug Mart up here in Canada has Seniors Day every Thursday. And I haven't bought myself any makeup lately because I just have enough and I want to just start shopping my stash if I'm going to start doing any makeup videos. But look at this. I didn't have this one. There's a few of Revolution I still have to get, but this one I got at a really good deal. And I ended up saving and getting a $10 credit card that I can spend this Thursday, which is tomorrow. But I got this one, this Revolution one, and this one is called Desert Desire. Now, this one will be a main staple in my makeup bag, I'll tell you, wherever I go. I don't want to blind you. And I will do swatches on it one of these days. But look at the palette. Look at the colors in that palette. It's got my purples, it's got my greens, it's got my pinks, it's got my blues, and it's also got neutral. So I've been doing my eyes in neutral a lot lately, mainly because I can put them on and it doesn't show up too much if I screw it up with my shakes. Because now my head goes as bad as my hand did. So I'm not very happy when I have to put makeup on. It takes me a long time. But I will try one day. I have found that I am using CBD oil to help with the shakes. I will be being tested for Parkinson's next spring when I come home. So yeah, then we'll know a little bit more. But that's what I found that's working for me is CBD oil. So I'm not sure how I'm going to get that into the States with me, but I may have to do a little bit of baking. Make fudge or something. But anyway, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by. I'm missing all of you so very, very much. So I can't wait to start getting a regular video going for you all the time. It will probably be more like a vlog. I'll video through the whole week and then put them all together and let you see what I'm doing. All right. Have a fantastic, amazing day. God be with you, and I bless every one of you. Good blessings to all of you. Thanks again. Love you all. Ciao for now. Bringing on my trip. I went into debt. So, not that I wanted to, but I just was not going to pull that truck again behind my Dolly. So there we go. This little fender's on. New lights. Alright, I did try to do this a little earlier. I'm trying to show you my finished car Dolly. I've put brand new fenders on both sides, new lights up on the top fender. Be pretty happy if they do. This is my truck I'm selling. This is my new car Dolly, or